Watch the police and send him out. Don't a man from the ice to Marina G. I make you think when I chat 50.
Yo, Selassie, I know. The man named Slap Republic done to blow out. John Star. Viewers and subscribers of Bagger Things Media TV. We there again. Up and running. So, they must say now we are read from a paper and hear what they must say about Pablo Dan, you know. I glean and I say, here now. Man get slapped in Washington Garden, St. Andrew. We are talking about the great Pablo Dan, you know. See me, I say, because me have to say him great because the brother are going with Bagger Things, you know, as it relates to the money, the flashiness, the flossing and the dancing. You see me, I say, yeah man, so, and look us at the scene of Pablo Dan get slapped away. You see me, I say, Anwook Drive in Washington Garden, St. Andrew. Yeah, June the 2nd, 2020, the man pass on. Yeah man, so viewers and subscribers, they must say, boy, the paper saying, you know, the Duane Park police are trying to find the perpetrator were involved in the slapway of Pablo Dan, you know. His vehicle on Arwood Drive in Washington Garden, one then comes so boom, bam, 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 and put up some holy pecan in a vehicle, you know. So man, them and the police, everybody I look for them, the perpetrator them, anybody were involved in that something. You see me, I say, Pablo Dan Star, John O. You see me, I say, when you see a picture with him daughter right there, so man, go and let him look at daughter. When you hear the song when man a play in the early, I say, rate a person go and left them daughter and kids and rate. And the same thing happen to the general. You know what I'm saying? I only put something behind or something here. But when I hear where police them have to say another case here. The police report that the deceased 34-year-old Paul Miller of Kingston 20 address was sitting in a vehicle when he was approached. Some big bad man running upon him, gangster them, seeing? Man comes and open, bam, 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 open can. Several times he can them blaze up the man, you know. They must say several times the man get blazed up with the can them. Bad man and running upon the general. So when them comes to now, the police then run upon the scene and thing. The man was pronounced gone, slap way, Pablo gone right there, so. You know what I'm saying? While undergoing treatment, so the police they rush him to hospital, KPH, Kingston Public Hospital. But the general didn't make it, you know. Didn't make it out, me I tell you, say, what a crazy thing go on. So eyewitness claim that before the bad man they run up on the scene, you know. Seeing that the general, you know, Pablo Dan have a sum of cash upon him. You see me I say? And some substance in possession, him have other little thing. When you see the video, man have him bag of money upon him and him having whole heap of sitting him. You see me I say? The general pretty much a floss and a go on with the thing. So, not about somebody a pray him, you know. Somebody a pray Pablo Dan and I watch him and know what go on. And let me tell you something. You see social media too. A whole heap of man are going to get hurt because of the social media something. Because you can't too floss in a man. Just stay up on a low profile no man. And that me I try to tell you so. First of all, me say in St. James area, the general are forward from me now. The virgin forward from me in St. James area. And live in Kingston now. You see me I say, I'm involved in them little thing here. We know where I talk about. The scamming thing them I talk about. You see me I say, yeah man, involved in them little thing there. I saw me a year. I don't know the truth. You see me? But right now, come like say, man, them did a pray the man for a long time. And I say, boy, me not care. Anything I go on where I forget the general. You see me? So here, when I say, the paper continue to say, you know. See? Me see a Rasta man, I try to take off the bag and try some slick move. And me have to say, Rasta, stop it. But I don't know when or what point. But we are move the body, the vehicle, and by the time the police show up, I don't know where the bag went. We handed over the whole lot of monies he had on him to the police, but I know more is in the bag and then gone with it. You see me, I say, not even sure what else to take. So a lot of stuff, a person, I say, I don't even know if it's a woman or a man. You see me, I say, an eyewitness we are talking about, we know, so we not beat up a thing. So here we are going now. They must say, boy, a whole heap of thing did upon the man, a whole heap of cash and thing. So the person that stopped a Rasta man and some other people from taking the stuff them were there and then we there, whole heap of cash and thing. So the person that said, boy, some of the cash them hand over to the police, but them believe say, yo, you get some certain more or some other things was taken. You see it? Cause all the people them a bomb rush thing or one Rasta man a bomb rush scene, you know. The person want to gain certain things, because they realize say this a brother here when he a Pablo Dan strap with all of money and whole heap of sitting upon him. You see me, I say John no star, so everybody come round and I try different thing, I try to snatch something. Rasta man a say, think me a day and I take off some of my food. John no star. Yo, me I tell you, you know, if you was a subscriber, I want a serious thing we are dealing with right now. You see me? So what I go on now, the youth and youth, then we are going on with them things. You can run your little thing, run your rocket here, go on with your thing. You can keep your stuff down in a man. I know everybody have to know what I go on. Cause the virgin make a post before him get slapped with. Pretty much a floss and a show money and a show all heap of things to his streets. Well, rule number one, keep your thing on a low profile. Cause you know say the street are watching and people are running on your thing. Some man can just see and just not like the fact that you're roll like way there. Some man does not like the fact that you are survive and things are going on for you. You see me? And when you put it on IG now or make video clippings and show money and thing, them thing that are going to really make people pray you somewhere. Because you have a whole heap of bad mind people out there. For a long time they would have wanted general for knock out him, want to get him, want to sort him out. A whole heap of things. You see me? So sometimes you have to stay on a low profile. You see me? Jamaica, crazy thing. Viewers and subscribe. Here what I go on, you like up and share up the video, man. Subscribe to my channel too. For those who have not subscribed yet, you know, a bag of things media TV, the biggest and the baddest platform. So right there, so we lose our next Jamaican. We have kids now without father and run up and down. When will they stop? When will them something and stop? You know, say to me right now, that's something that remind me in the black community in America. The Yankee them, the gangster them. You have some rapper, some youth or some aspiring rapper. I saw enough of them things turn out. You see me? Them a live on a go on and things are going on, and shortly after somebody just come and page them. And this so blaze up can upon them in the black community in America. This is pretty much what I go on. You see me I say? So Jamaican, you have to watch yourself. Watch your dealings with your inner. Watch how you roll. Watch how you pray the thing. Because here you know, him probably never know say that something will come. You see me? But me I look and I say, if you have so much cash, you have so much things, how about get a personal bodyguard around you? Me rather spend the money, you know, and get somebody around me with a big iron and a couple iron and eat around me, you know. All if a 2 person. If me I just chill for a day, me get 2 personal money, man. Even 2 police or 2 or whatever. But you have to have certain thing to protect yourself, brother. You can't have so much money and believe, say, boy. People in the community just know you, them like you, and everything is good. Pay for your protection. It will reach a point where Jamaican people will start have them personal bodyguard. Because all you feel have so much money for you, and believe, say, a man now can try to take it. Because of your name, your name, and a circle. John no star, really serious star. So, all these them are running on it right now, and they want to find the people that were involved. You see me I say? So, for the folks that will know what go on, you can really get in touch with the police them. You see me I say? And solve a crime right there. So, because a Jamaica problem. It's not even say boy, the man they involved in a things and rate here for them problem. No. This is a Jamaica problem. So every Jamaican must play a part. Play your part in be a better citizen. Pablo Dan, you said the virgin is involved in a bag of things and I try and make him think. Nah, stop a person earning, you know. Or try if you say boy, no man nothing do what they want. A man can do what he want do. But all me I tell the man them say, you have to know what you do. In the idea now go turn out pretty. You see me? You have to think about security and protection. You come all down to that. Because you don't know who don't like you. You don't know who hate you. Somebody might just pray you a long time. See? And you don't even know that person there. And the thing go on, you know. What happen now? And them get the opportunity now to say, alright, him nah know say boy, we want get him. Him no know say we want near me in food. And when you think say a peace and safety, a sudden destruction, I always hear that. People them talk about them things that you can't be too relaxed, you can't be too comfortable. Because people always come to attack you when you're comfortable, you know. And when you pull up them the money there, you live them a life where be general, because you see the Benz and the car, nice life. Brand clothes, big brands and everything. The nicest and the flashiest clothes. You have to know what you do. And everybody are going to love to see you and live that way there. You see me? Viewers want to subscribe up to my channel, no man. Yeah, man, like and share. You don't know, see, we are like on the platform and now. You see me? About that things media. Really sad situation because I want to make general forward the video and I say, yo, watch a youth ya and thing. The boy there get knocked out in a Jamaica. Me I say, watch it. One more Jamaican gone. You know what I'm saying? Senseless thing. Because of misdirected energy and bad mind too. Some people just bad mind you because you are strive. Some people just bad mind you because they grew up with you and you are make bag of money and them nah make none. So bad mind come from all different angles, you know. All different places. You see me? So you have to watch your friends. Watch the people them where you surround. Cause I'm good at in the area and I say, yo, you are going to know. The big man they rate me. Me give some man some money and give some man some things and nothing can do me. My thing covered there now. I go there now in Washington Garden here. Him no know say, him thing not protected like that. Either better you pay your money, all the money that him have upon him. Either better you play your money and have a personal bodyguard. Somebody who can even beat back a shot. Take off a shot off for you. You see me? Take off the eat off for you. You see me? Really sad. So, yo, crazy. Sometimes I don't like report them things because it's set away. You know what I mean? But it's just the reality of them things that go on. So youth, choose on a part wisely in Jamaica. You see me? I say a bag of things media TV. Like and share. Subscribe to my channel to see where you don't know a thing go. Up.